Hi, I'm Dr. Burning and this is Rascal. We're at Towne Animal Clinic and we just wanted to talk to you a little bit today about how to make cat visits at the vet a little less stressful for both the cats and their owners. The first thing that we try to do here is to have a staff that loves cats and has lots of experience handling and treating feline patients. We also have a separate waiting area and a separate exam room that are reserved specifically for cats, and it helps keep them away from the smells and the sounds of the rest of the clinic. Helps them be a little less stressful while they're here. Sometimes still cat visits are stressful, so things that you can do to help your cat on the way here and while you're at home. The first thing, and probably the most important, is to keep your kitty in a carrier. The carrier helps keep the cat safe on the way here. It's in an environment that smells like itself, and it helps avoid scenes in the car and in the waiting room. Sometimes getting your cat in the carrier can be a little stressful itself. Ways to avoid that. One thing you can try is spraying a pheromone spray into the carrier before you put the cat in the carrier. The pheromone will help calm the cat down and help it feel a little more relaxed while it's in the carrier. You can also try keeping the carrier out all the time while you're at home, and that makes it a part of the cat's everyday environment. You can feed it in the carrier, you can put treats in the carrier, but most importantly, if the carrier is out all the time, then the kitty doesn't know that something is going on when you pull it out of the closet. I'm sure you've had the experience of pulling the carrier out and the cat goes running under the bed or under the couch, and then you spend the next 30 minutes trying to get him out. So you know how that goes. And if those two tricks don't work and your kitty still doesn't want to get in the carrier, what you can do is pick the kitty up and wrap it in a towel, and then place both the towel and the carrier, or both the towel and the cat into the carrier. That way you avoid the claws and the teeth while you're trying to get the kitty in the carrier. It's not grabbing onto the sides and trying to keep you from putting him in. If your cat is still anxious coming to the vet, then talk to your veterinarian about getting something to help with anxiety or even a little bit of sedation, so that when you come to the vet, your cat's nice and relaxed, sometimes a little bit sleepy. This is good for young cats, but it's especially important with old and sick kitties who really don't feel good. They don't want to be here anyway, and they're just scared. So let us know if you need something like that, if you think that it might help your kitty on the way to the vet. In summary, I guess one of the most important things is making sure that your veterinarian and the staff there are comfortable handling feline patients and they know about feline behavior. Secondly, make sure that your cat's in a carrier and try to help your cat be comfortable in the carrier. And then third, if your cat's still really anxious about coming to the vet, then talk to your veterinarian about giving them something to help relax while they're here. If you have any questions or you'd like to talk a little bit more about this, then you can give us a call. Again, I'm Dr. Burning and at Towne Animal Clinic, and our phone number is 703-777-6350.